Okay, YouTube, I'm going to do another video on this Marshall Master Lead combo that I got at the pawn shop. This is otherwise known as a 5010. We did a video about putting new speakers in it, and it currently has a PV Blue Marvel in it. It had for a while a Texas Heat that was a little dry for me, and it came with a Celestion G12M70 that I did not care for. It was quite an ice pick to listen to, so I like the Blue Marvel best. Here's the schematic for the little guy. It says here that the op amp is a MC 1458. This was from 1988. And my amp is older than that, and it came with a CA 1458, but same chip. The rail voltage is 19.3 VDC, but it is plus and minus because it's held off of ground. They did this for hum. So there we go. Like I said, mine was made 12/19 of 84, right before Christmas. I put new power supply capacitors in the power supply. I changed the bridge rectifier. I put new NTE outputs in it. I had to put a new input jack in it, and I put a socket in for the op amp. Hashtag not sponsored. WD-40 makes contact cleaner, and it's the bomb. So if you have any dirty pots, this would be the one to pick up. ICs come shipped this way, and I don't know why. They always have since I started this nonsense, and they won't go in the socket that way. So what you have to do is take your pliers and roll them over and bend all 4 pins down at the same time. This avoids bending any one pin out of the way or whatever. So this is the way I do it to get them to go in the socket. Here's the knob settings for the nonsense that's going to continue. Same as last time. Op amps we're going to try is the CA 1458E that came in it, the LM358, the MC 1458 like the schematic states, and an NTE 778. The NE 5532 and TL072 both squeal uncontrollably, and they failed in this circuit. The JCR 4558 that was in the Tube Screamer, the only place I could find those was eBay, and I'm not buying the original chips. All of the ones I'm going to test came from Mouser. As a sidebar, I do not think there will be a difference in how individual op amps sound. I'm experimenting to see how different op amps perform in this circuit. Their individual input and output impedances, gain, topology, etc. should have different outcomes. I want to make sure everybody knows that before we go on. I have a period correct riff to play, and let's go back to 1984. Well, what'd you think? Really close. Nothing you would hear across a bar different. I think that the 1458 chips both sound identical. I think that the NTE chip is a little darker and has a little less gain. And I actually can hear quite a bit more mid-range from the LM358. It's also the noisiest of the bunch. I don't know which one I'm going to leave in it. I guess that's why I have a socket, yeah? But I burned that to a CD and listened to it on my hi-fi and listened to it through my best headphones. And there, it's not a lot of difference, but I think that the 358 has more mid-range. I do. And so that's what we're going to leave it as. So in this circuit, I kind of prefer the LM358. Thanks.